XRP with monthly charges. I want to give a quick update. We don't see really much changes based on monthly chart. As we can see, still we are within the reverse corrective move. The way is reversing is very corrective. And anyway, we move to lower time frame. We want to see what's the next and how we can look for the next trade setup. And in this case, we move to lower time frame weekly chart. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And the first target we have been looking for was 94 cent. With the breakout of the 94, we're looking for 1.13, following by 1.33. But as I mentioned, the way is reversing is very corrective. And to make it very simple, at this point, I'm looking for this correction. And if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And as I mentioned, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 94. That means the 94 cent is my first target. And one more thing I need to highlight here, that the way is, as I mentioned, the way is reversing is very corrective. And technically, whenever we see reversal as a corrective move, mostly we can expect for the next drop. But at this point, we are not looking for the next drop. What I want to say is that the way is reversing again is very corrective. But if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it, because as long as it start to move, it can move really sharp. And even we can see the breakout of the 94 cent as a sharp move. Okay, that's mean at this point, if I get any trade, I will take it, and the first target for me is the 94 cent. That's mean what I'm looking for, I'm expecting to see the continuation as a sharp move. But we should know that any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But if I see the continuation as a corrective move, I will not keep the trade. I will take out the trade, then from there I will look for the next trade setup. Because what I'm looking for the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. Anyway, based on weekly chart, I don't see any trade setup. And in this case, I move to lower time frame. We move to daily chart, and this is what I'm looking for. And we can expect even the price tag the previous low. In that case, we can expect this one turn to a three-way flat. Then from there, any opportunity for buy, I will take it. Okay, but at this point, whether we can look for the trade setup, at this point, I don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. We don't need to wait for the price to tag the previous low, which is this one, which is somewhere around 57 or 0.575. We don't need to wait for that. That's mean if the price reverses from here, based on lower time frame, we will take it. But if the price tag 57 cents, then it's good for us. All right. And as I mentioned, at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to lower time frame, forward chart similar to other, like a Bitcoin or Ethereum, what I'm expecting, may this one give us a reversal as a corrective. We get the next drop before we look for the reversal. All right, that's mean if we get this option, this is the best. But it doesn't mean we have to wait to get this option before we take the next trade setup. Okay, this is the best option. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup as well. And if the price reverses from here without giving us a correction, next drop, without giving us this option, then from there we have to look for sharp move flag. And at this point, we don't see that opportunity as well. And if we move to lower time frame, similar explanation. Having entry above this can be an option. It depends on the traders, but it's not a really good idea. Anyway, either we get the correction drop. If we get this option, we will take the trade, or if the price reverses from here as a sharp move flag, any of this option, for me, I will take the trade. Then from there, I will see if it's moving as a sharp, we will keep the trade. If not, we take out the trade. That's when we should know how to manage it. And to make it very simple, at this point, I don't see any trade setup and we have to wait. And if we move to daily chart in the bigger picture, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking at this one as a flat. And I prefer the price tag the previous low. I prefer. It doesn't mean we have to wait for that. And in this case, we just follow the chart. We don't see any good trades or proper trade setup. And in this case, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.